Hey, it's Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. I am back with another video in the 2020 print-on-demand sites that you should be using. So today we are going to talk about Society 6. So Society 6 can be compared to Redbubble, Teespring, and TeePublic. It basically lets artists and designers host their designs on their websites on lots of products. So I am going to show you guys an overview of the Society 6 website, and I have 3 samples that I have to show you guys today for this review. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Society 6, and this is for anyone who wants to sell their art. So this is the art page, like how it gives the mission and what it provides. It basically says they support artists both seasoned and new by providing a marketplace for selling their original work, helping them find their voice and connecting with their fellow artists and customers across the world. So you can just hit the get started, but it just tells you a few different reasons why you should sell on Society 6. Basically, to showcase your artwork. They have a variety of products, which I was super impressed. Focus on what matters, find your people, and join the community. You have some quotes here, and this is basically telling you how it works. So you upload your work, you design and able the products that you want. They have an array of wall art, home decor. They have lots of home decor and furniture. They, to me, seem to be leading in that product. I saw like bar stools and stuff like that. That sold me, and I'm excited to just buy some more stuff on this website. And then it basically says to start selling and sit back and watch as they fulfill, print, and ship your product. So they have lots of home decor, outside, outdoor, and lifestyle. I'm going to quickly open up the home decor and furniture and click on the outdoor and lifestyle, just so we can quickly go and skim through a few of these products that I am just gagging over. I've never seen this amount of products. Like, it's unreal to me how much things they have. So just waiting on that to come out. They do have welcome mats, yoga mats, outdoor floor cushions. Of course, when I'm recording, my computer just does not love me and does not like to show the products that I'm looking to view. So that's another thing. But I wish you guys could see this. Because they have a lot of stuff. They have tote bags, throw blankets, folding stools, can coolers, beach towels, serving trays. That was one that I really was enjoying, the serving tray. And I guess it's not going to come up for me with the outdoor stuff. So let's see if the home decor. Nope, that's not going to come up either. Let's give it a second. Okay, so not all of the products came up, but they do have like blackout curtains, rugs. This is so cute. Throw blankets, tapestries, and more throws. Look at this, just beautiful, beautiful artwork here. Wall murals, wallpaper, a lot of things. And these just did not want to show up for me. So, yeah, you can go through here, you can join or log in here, and you can do all of that to get started on Society 6. So the first thing that I did get from Society 6, of course, has to be a notebook. It came in a flat lay envelope, and this is the notebook. I don't even know what size it is, to be honest, but I will put it in on the screen. It has Society 6 here, and it's just a blank line notebook. It is binded. Quality is really good. Feels velvety, so I'm assuming this is a gloss cover. Don't know how many sheets it is, but again, I'll make sure I put that in the description or on the video. Alright, so this is the shirt that I got from Society 6. It is a Canva Bella shirt in medium, and I did a Patone. This is been trending lately, so I just did Patone, and I did Patone. I did black as fuck because, yeah, I'm extra. It looks a little splashy, but it looks blacker on camera. I'm assuming this is DTG or screen print, but it looks more like screen print. So that's that, and I guess I'm not gonna show it on, but this is a great shirt from Camabellas. Love the quality of the shirt and the feel. All right, guys, so here is the last item I got from Society 6, and it is a transparent sticker. Trying to pull it up. I can't get it, but I can tell it's transparent, so this is how it comes. Looks good. I'll add it to my computer, and this is where I added it to go with the rest of my stickers. So I hope you guys enjoy the print-on-demand sites that you should be using in 2020. Again, we went over Society 6. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the products that I did purchase. I have not yet set up my shop over on Society 6, but I'm excited to do so. So stay tuned for a how to start a print-on-demand business series, part of setting up a store on Society 6, because that will be coming soon. Also, make sure you check out my gumroad.com/Cinquanta Cox-Smith for all my courses and tutorials. Anything. I have a print-on-demand checklist. I have some digital downloads, daily planners, order sheets, just a lot of different things that you can use in your business. Also, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell to make sure you are notified every time that I drop a new video. I told you guys I am committed to showing up at least 3 times a week over here. So until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.